ആരാണ് കോൺഗ്രസിൻ്റെ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി സ്ഥാനാർത്ഥി? തിരുവനന്തപുരം മണ്ഡലത്തിലെ UDF സ്ഥാനാർത്ഥി ശശി തരൂരിനോടായിരുന്നു ഈ ചോദ്യം. കോൺഗ്രസ് പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയായി ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നേതാവിനെ ഉയർത്തിക്കാട്ടിയല്ല മത്സരിക്കുന്നത് എന്നായിരുന്നു തരൂരിൻ്റെ മറുപടി. തിരുവനന്തപുരം ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം ക്ലബ്ബിലെ അംഗങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോഴായിരുന്നു ശശി തരൂർ ഇക്കാര്യം പങ്കുവച്ചത്.
It's an irrelevant question in a parliamentary system. We're not running a presidential system. It is the irony of our system that Mr. Modi is conducting a parliamentary system presidentially. It's not supposed to be run that way. A prime minister in a parliamentary system is meant to be first among equals, that's all. Now, I agree, personally and intellectually, that may not be the temperament of the Indian people, and I have been arguing for 30 years now. My articles go back to the 90s, that we need a presidential system in India. But the fact is we don't have one. And as long as we have a parliamentary system, we are voting for parties, ideologies, policies and principles. We're not voting for individuals. The only people in India who get to vote for Narendra Modi are the people living in Varanasi. That's the truth. So we really now have to understand what's the alternative. And as I said recently on social media, the alternative to Mr. Modi is a collection of experienced senior leaders with their fingers in the pulse of the people who work collectively to solve people's problems, as we have done for 10 years under Dr. Manmohan Singh. No one voting in 2004 thought they were getting Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, right? And yet look what happened. So anything is possible in this parliamentary system, but you need a collective effort rather than I, me, myself.